Hi, my name is Melanie Adrian, and this is my business partner, Erlen Taylor. We are the owners of A&G Rental Management here in Portland, Oregon, and we've been in business since 2007. Today we're going to talk to you about tenant screening and fair housing. One of the things that we always are definitely getting asked have to do with, I want to pick my tenant. Well, fair housing, both on the federal and state level, does not allow you to pick your tenant. There are laws that you have to follow regarding processing applications, and you can't pick your favorite one. You have to have a rental criteria, for one, and people that apply for your particular property that you have been advertising have to follow that rental criteria. So having that criteria is key to not violating any of those state or federal fair housing guidelines. There are things such as age, sex, religion, sexual orientation, familial status, etc., that all come into play when you have a property on the market and you are trying to find a tenant.
So some of the things that you should consider in your rental criteria, as Melanie explained, would be you'll want to make sure that they know what credit information you'll be checking, if you're going to be checking credit, and what you'll be looking for. Are you looking for employment verification? Are you looking for rental verification or mortgage verification? Are you looking for criminal activity verification, making sure that there is no felonies and what type of felonies? And the more limitations, or the more upfront as far as what you're looking for as a tenant you are, the better you'll be, without, of course, violating federal fair housing laws. You'll want to make sure you stay away from things like I don't accept students, or I only want an adult living in the home, no children. Those are all violations against federal fair housing, and you can find yourself in a lawsuit against yourself and any of your assets if you do violate any of those laws. Another thing that you'll also want to do is you can certainly contact the Oregon Real Estate Agency for any kind of guidelines, and making sure that you're abiding by the landlord-tenant law and what you can and cannot do or advertise when you're putting your home up for the rental market. We thank you again for your attention to this, and if you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call at our office.